So guys, welcome to another gardening video on my channel. My name is Bunks. Yeah guys, welcome to another video. So yeah guys, today we're going to be harvesting. It's going to be a nice video. We're gonna be harvesting some potatoes, spinaches, some carrots, and I think there'll be some other stuff that pop up that we'll see that we can also harvest. And I think I also need to just clean up a bit the garden. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do what you gotta do and I'll do. Let's just go, man. Yeah, so first you can see that there's some spinach that we can harvest. Yeah, and guys, you should know that spinach, the more you harvest, the more it grows. So keep harvesting. I think with me, I don't even know if we can hear. I've left some spinach on the ground because they don't really look too great. I mean, if you look at this one, it doesn't look too great. So I just let it die off on the soil, and in that way it basically gives back the nutrients to the soil again. Yeah guys, so I would say let's harvest as much as possible here, because I think I've left them on for a bit too long, and yeah, I would say the more you harvest, the better, really. Okay, so there's also another spinach there. Okay, guys, so next we have exciting. We get to the exciting ones, the root crops. These ones, you only know how much you have when you've harvested. So we're gonna start first with the potatoes, and then we're gonna move to the carrots. I already sneak peeked at the carrots, and I'm so happy. So let's see what the potatoes are doing. Okay, so I think right now, the struggle right now is I need to find exactly where these potatoes were, because all of the roots and stuff are currently dead. Okay, you see, maybe here we have something here. Okay. Okay, we have some little pickinizers here. Pickinosa. Okay, the pickinizers. These ones are pickinizers so far. Hey, the pickinizer. Hey. Okay, yo, now we're talking about a big, yeah. Hey, I don't really like that most of these are like green. Hey, but yeah, man. Okay, so let's just maybe put some there. Oh yeah, so yeah, how you would know when is the right time to harvest everything, all the potato plants start to die out. That's how you would know that, okay, it's time to harvest. I think the one that I struggle with the most in knowing when to harvest is the carrots. Okay, we have some more here. Oh wow. Hey, some more over here. So far there's a lot of small potatoes. Okay, but I think it looks like it's getting better now. Okay. Yeah guys, so that was the potatoes. I'll show you the result at the end, but I wasn't really happy with the size of the potatoes. So I think probably for the next season I should grow them in a better soil or softer soil, so that they have space to get bigger. I like how many potatoes there are, but yeah, it was the problem of how big they got. And also the other thing is that I think I left them in there for too long without covering the soil, because most of them are also green, which means that they were exposed to the sun. So yeah, I think there were some lessons that I could have learned. Just the sun, and keep them out of the sun and harvest earlier, and also better soil, cause so that they can actually get bigger. Okay, so we're gonna move to the carrots. This one I'm more optimistic about, and yeah, let's see the results. Yeah, so the first patch that has a lot of carrots is this one here, and this one is like hidden in between with the pumpkin. So yeah, we'll just have to dig in and see. So I think the best way to tell if you need to harvest is when the carrots start popping. You see, like this, when they start popping out of the ground. And these are I don't know, dude. Let's see. I mean, this one, it looks a bit bigger. Okay. Oh. Woo! And guys, the carrots, hey, Oh, wow. Because you know the thing is, look at this guy popping out. Oh. I think, yeah, hey. I think the problem is the soil, dog. Okay, so the carrots, there's some that are popping out, some that are not. So I'm gonna leave some that are still not popping out. But I think again, better soil, because they're not really big. I'm gonna show you as well again the results of the harvest. But again, I don't think the soil is that great. Don't think so. So I think what I should do for future is that, I mean, root crops are very good at cultivating the soil, so I should just keep planting in that area, so that every year the soil gets softer and softer and softer. I think I also need to have a conference call with the moms, because I'm not really sure when to harvest, when not to. Yeah guys, so this is what we have for the harvest, for the mini harvest. This, what is it, mid season. I'm okay. I'm just, I think with the carrots, I wish that they could be a bit bigger, just a bit longer. I think it could be because of the spacing, maybe, as well. And then the potatoes, I love how many there are. It's just how small they are that really just puts me down. And then spinach, I'm okay with how much I have here, because throughout the seasons we've been harvesting. So yeah, man, this is the harvest. So as a rule of thumb that I always keep with potatoes is that once you've harvested them, right, you can always put, let's say you put the biggest potato in the patch that you harvested from. Just take the biggest one, put one in there, and you now you are now planting for the next season, right? And then with curing and storing the potatoes, what I would suggest is that you put them in a dark, dry place. Don't spray the potatoes. I just wouldn't suggest that. So don't spray the potatoes with water. Just let them be as they are at the moment. Store them in a dry, wet place for about 2 weeks, and then you can store them in where you normally put your potatoes. So I just wanted to show you that there's still tomatoes to grow. There's this, there's still tomatoes. There's this one here. There's a bunch over here. There's a bunch over here. There's somewhere here with a bee just rising. Then we have some more here as well. And then we have one over there. Oh, and there's even one over here as well. Yeah, so not all hope is lost. So right now I'm just gonna clean up a bit, make sure that the garden at least looks a bit presentable. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love, peace, grow every day, man.